Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make two cells in one cell. In other hand, how to take the data from multiple cells and take into a single cell. So let's do it. I'm selecting the multi data from different cells and press Ctrl C from the keyboard. The data are selected and copied to clipboard. Press this icon and select the cell where you want to paste. I am selecting the D2 cell. Double click on the cell. Make sure you are double clicking on the cell and get into this. Then from this area, by clicking this icon, I will get the clipboard panel, and from the clipboard panel click paste all. You see all the data is pasted in single cell, but here is another thing, that the data are pasted line by line. You can make it single line. If you select this cell, this icon, the warp text is selected. You simply click on it and deselect. You see the result, all the data are in a single cell in single line. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share my video. Thank you very much.